ME18 hydraulic excavator. It is a star product of MAXPOWER that has dominated the mini excavator market since its launch. Operating weight 186.195 tons. Bucket capacity 0.05 m. MAXPOWER customized Yanmar engine, power 10, 3Q11 to Q. The core configurations can be customized based on regional emission standards and customer requirements, offering options including China 4 and Euro V. The overall appearance also offers 3 choices: ME18C2 post canopy, ME18U4 post canopy, and ME19UN closed cab. Clients can customize as needed based on practical requirements. The ME18 is equipped with an offsettable boom and dozer blade, optional 6-directional blade, perfectly handling confined space operations and agricultural livestock applications. The tailless design makes steering more flexible, reducing fuel consumption by at least 15%. Equipped with MAXPOWER's proprietary new generation electro-hydraulic control system, it ensures faster response and enhances operational efficiency. MAXPOWER ME18 premium configuration, reliable and agile, fuel efficient, durable, and easy to maintain. Widely applicable to farmland irrigation and more diverse working scenarios. Fully meets diverse operational demands, including excavation, leveling, demolition, and more. It has extremely strong adaptability to working conditions and the environment.